Which is most likely to be respondent behavior? A, thinking about yesterday's meeting. B, an increase in heart rate. C, spitting on a peer. D, noticing that your scab is bleeding. More seconds. B, an increase in heart rate is the correct answer because it's the only one that's respondent behavior. And again, remember this question says most likely. So it doesn't mean that no other behavior is ever a respondent behavior. It's that which one is the most likely to be a respondent behavior. So some of you chose A, C, or D, but again, and it looks like kind of a pretty even spread as to how many chose that. But B overwhelmingly was the choice. So great job picking that out. When we break this down, when we're looking for respondent behavior, thinking about yesterday's meeting is a covert behavior. It is a private behavior. It is not observable unless I make it so by telling you that I'm thinking about it. But it isn't a respondent behavior. Spitting on a peer is an overt behavior. I can identify it. It is not a private behavior. It is observable because I can usually see when someone has spit on someone else, and no one needs to tell me that that's happened. I can see it with my own eyes, but it isn't respondent behavior. It's typically an operant behavior. And then the last one, noticing that your scab is bleeding. So really noticing is a covert behavior unless my eyes kind of look at the scab and go like, then I might say that noticing would be an overt behavior, depending on the facial expressions I'm making or other behavior that I'm doing it with it. But the noticing itself is a covert behavior. It's a private behavior, but it's not a respondent behavior. Just as a reminder of what respondent behavior is. So respondent behavior is defined as behavior that's elicited by antecedent stimuli. So something in your eye elicits an eye blink. So I don't have to think like blink, eye, blink. I can, but I don't have to. And these are ready-made behaviors that protect us against harmful stimuli. And these are a result of phylogeny. We were born with them as part of our species history. We have them from the day that we are born. These are often part of stimulus response relations, which are also called reflexes. And you can find a list on page 30 in Cooper.